Hello friends, in today's video I will explain you how to create pages, collections and manage in the navigations on your Shopify store. So once you are logged in into the admin, you can see in the sidebar home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discount, apps and online store. So to create a page, click on online store. You can go to pages. Here you can create a new page from add page button on top. We have like these 3 pages already created. So to create a new page, click on add page. You can write a title here like privacy policy, and you can make it visible or hidden from here. You can update the text of privacy policy here, or you can copy and paste directly, and you can use the editor on top to update the styling of the text, or you can make it bold, italic, underline. You can have the bullet lines, you can change the colors. So you can play around with this. You can add a table or insert an image very easily into the editor. Even you can add a video also. Okay, so once you update the content here, just hit save and your page is created. You can click on view on your online store and this page is created for you. So once the page is created, and if you want to create collections, click on products, go to collections. Here we have like this many collections already created, so I will create one more collection from here. We can give it a name, men's shirts. You can create a manual collection where you will add products manually, or you can create an automated way where you can automatically add products in this collection based on these conditions. So if your product tag is equal to shirts, or if your product title contains shirt, those products will automatically come in this collection. So this is very easy and convenient way to manage your products. You can always choose any conditions, so that any of these conditions match, those product will be assigned into the collection. So you can create an automated collections like this. You can save it and your collection is created. Now to now on the home page you see now on the home page you will see you have this home and catalog in the navigation. How you can add those pages or collections in this navigations? So you can click on dashboard again, go to online store, click on navigation, and under navigation you can see this footer menu and main menu. So click on main menu. You can delete this catalog and you can have home. You can add menu item to add about us. You can link it, go to pages and link about us here. Same way you can click on contact us, link contact us, and add here. Now you can create a drop down, like you can make a collection called shop, and you can click on products. You can select all products if someone click on shop. Okay, now under shop, if you want men's, you can go to collection. You can find the men's collection and add it. Similar, now to make this men's under the drop down of shop, you can simply drag a little bit and drop inside shop like this. So now you can see this will come under the drop down. Now if you want to have men's, women's and kids under shop, just click here, add menu items. I will search women's, select collection, search for women's and add it. Okay, I will add one more like kids. Again you can search directly, or even you can search into the collections. I search kids and add into the drop down. Now you can hit save and you can check the live store from here. So you see home, about us, contact us, and under shop you have men's, women's and kids. So it's very easy to manage, and even if you want to change the position, you can simply drag and drop this like this and leave it. So that way you have home, about us, shop and contact us. I will save it. You can go back to store. So once you set up this and refresh the page, you will see the home, shop, about us and contact us here. So you can easily manage the navigation through the Shopify backend. You can create collections, you can create all the pages and set up everything on this store. Thank you.